Hi guys, welcome back to Day Trade Diary. Today is day number 8 of my trading journey or documenting my trading journey. It's the 3rd of March 2026, and I'll give you an update of what happened yesterday on the 2nd of March. Uh, for Oanda CFD trading, we're now at 14,618, so it has dipped a little bit since yesterday. And for Binance Crypto, it's now 9432, which gives a total net asset value of 24,050 US dollars, and that equates to a overall percentage return of 2.21% since we started documenting it. I included a graph as well, showing graphically how the net asset value has increased cumulatively over the past 7 or 8 trading days. So yeah, overall it's tapering off a little bit, but we hope that we get a lot of new buy orders hit in the next week, or this week rather, because our exposure is quite little at this point, because in all 3 trading vehicles that we are using seem to be going up quite a lot without much of a dip, except for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is really choppy. So let's first of all dive right straight into what Bitcoin has been doing. Since we updated yesterday, Bitcoin spiked up from around 65,000 at the local low to 7,000, so almost $5,000 spiked. And along the way, we took profits 3 times, which was very nice. Each one of these take profits was 10 US dollars. And the market is now trending down again, and we had 2 buy orders hit, and one recently hit almost in real time at the time of recording. So yeah, 3 take profits here, as I mentioned, and then two buy orders hit. Let me zoom out and show you. So once again, this is like the beauty of the grid trading or the laddering, where we take advantage of the volatility and the chop. So we sell all the way up, and then we buy all the way down, and then rinse and repeat. So you can see that all the buy orders are set already, anticipating a down move and also on a up move. So it takes away all emotion. I do not have to stress or think. I just trust the system that it will work, and that the volatility will slowly increase our net asset value. So that is for Bitcoin. Now let's look into, first of all, silver. So silver spiked up yesterday to almost $97. And we were disciplined. We didn't FOMO in, because on the very same day, it dropped down from 97 to 83, which was a massive drop percentage-wise. And we took advantage of that by executing 3 buy limit orders. You can see here at this level, 88.50, 86, and 83.50. So I stagger my ladder at $2.50 intervals at varying order sizes. So here's 10 ounces, here's 25 ounces, and here's 10 ounces again. I'll explain this strategy in a future video, but you have to determine your own risk levels as to what the order size would be and what the interval size would be. So for me, this is the risk level that I'm comfortable with. If silver plummets to $50, $40, the drawdown will be immense, but still manageable and still within the expected volatility or variation in this trading strategy. So you can't panic, you can't feel too bad about it, but you just have to have peace of mind knowing that an asset like silver or crude oil will never go to zero. It is not a crypto shitcoin. It is not a stock where the management has a lot of say about how the company is run. So for stocks and for crypto meme coins, it can absolutely go to zero. But for solid commodities where the world runs on, silver, oil, and I include Bitcoin in that because I don't think Bitcoin will ever go to zero. We should feel comfortable with 50% drawdowns, 70% drawdowns, etc. So now we are exposed 3 trades for silver for a total of 45 ounces, and let's see how that goes. So I'll show you how that is working out so far. So we can see now we're in the red for the 10 ounce and 25 ounce, and then we're in the green for 10 ounce. Okay, and then I'll show you for crude oil. Crude oil went up to as high as let's see where we were yesterday, $80. I set a limit order at 78, which hit on the way down. So it hit basically around let's see, around this candle on the way down. It hit, and then now it's rocketing up again. So we have some exposure back in crude oil. But does it look like it's going to dip anytime soon? I don't know. But we're just going to ride this. We're just going to ride this wave up. Cool. So we had yesterday for crude oil 1 buy order, 0 take profit. For silver, we had 2 buy orders, as I mentioned. The 25 ounce and the 10 ounce here. Okay, that concludes my update for today, and I will see you tomorrow. And let's hope for some big volatility today to take advantage of the swings both ways. All right, see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.